Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make pasta handmade. First, gather your ingredients, 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 3 large eggs. Create a mound of flour on a clean countertop and make a well in the center. Crack the eggs into this well. Using a fork, gently whisk the eggs, slowly drawing flour from the sides into the mixture. Continue until a shaggy, cohesive dough begins to form. This initial step is crucial for a perfect texture. Now it's time to knead. This is where the magic happens, developing the gluten for that perfect pasta chew. Push the dough away from you with the heel of your hand, then fold it back over itself. Rotate the dough a quarter turn and repeat. Continue this process for about 8 to 10 minutes. You'll notice the dough transforming, becoming smooth, elastic, and much easier to work with. It should spring back when gently pressed. Once kneaded, let your dough rest for 30 minutes covered to relax the gluten. Then, divide it into 2 or 3 manageable pieces. Lightly flour your work surface and a rolling pin. Roll each piece of dough, starting from the center and working outwards. Aim for a thin sheet, about 1/16 of an inch thick. The goal is a uniform thickness across the entire sheet, which ensures your pasta cooks evenly and beautifully. Finally, it's time to cut your pasta. Lightly flour your thin sheets, then gently fold them or roll them up. Using a sharp knife, cut into your desired shapes, like fettuccine or tagliatelle. Unfurl the cut pasta and dust with a little more flour to prevent sticking. Bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil. Cook your fresh pasta for just 2 to 4 minutes, or until it's perfectly al dente. Serve immediately with your favorite sauce and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.